Finding professional painters near you can be a daunting task, but it's essential to ensure that the job is done correctly and efficiently. Here are some tips on how to find professional painters near you. Ask for referrals or check online. Ask for referrals from trusted sources like family, friends, or neighbors who have recently had their homes painted. Personal recommendations provide insights into the quality of a painter's work. Check online directories like HomeAdvisor or Angie's List to find professional painters in your area. These platforms offer customer reviews and display the painter's licenses and certifications. Research the company. Research the company before deciding, ensuring they have a good reputation, proper licensing, insurance, and certifications. Request estimates from multiple companies, comparing services and pricing with detailed breakdowns. Ask for references from previous clients and inquire about their experience and work quality. Lastly, check if the painter offers a warranty, understanding its coverage and duration. Check for experience. Choose a professional painter with experience in the field, preferably with several years of experience and a diverse range of project types. This ensures their ability to handle different surfaces and materials. Prioritize painters with excellent communication skills. They should communicate clearly, be responsive to your inquiries, and keep you informed throughout the project to ensure your satisfaction. Professionalism. A professional painter should be punctual, dress appropriately, and conduct themselves professionally. They should respect your property, offer the services you need, and clean up thoroughly. Choose Faganpainting for expertise, experience, and professionalism that exceeds expectations.